Hey guys, Alex here, and RC Dave, the Charger guy, he got my General Lee chassis, fixed it up in his little workshop, and you can see he has a lot of his own iconic General Lee RC Charger cars himself. He has a great fleet of them. But anyways, yeah, he fixed up my chassis because in my last short story video, you saw my General Lee go for a jump and it landed right in the muddy water. It was disgusting, and my car was still running, but the servo got fried, and the servo got ruined previously when I ran into a boulder, and so that made the jump even harder. So, anyways, the basically my car went into the little drink, and it got destroyed. So, anyways, General or was it? RC Day fixed up my chassis. And yeah, so the steering servo was fried, and he fixed a few other things too. He also touched up the vector rims on my General Lee because they were kind of they weren't in tippy top condition when I was using it in my video. And he also put this awesome 392 on the back mount. So I want to test it out take it out for a little test run, because the problem was my General Lee was not driving straight. It's on right now, so let's put this on the mounts here. I'm not gonna bother mounting the back. I just want to see if it runs straight, which I can tell it does, because when I turned on the chassis, the wheel straightened up. The problem that I was having before is I would turn the chassis on, and then the wheels would just turn all the way to the right or all the way to the left. So let's just see if it runs. I'm not going to full blast it because I do not want this to fly off the mount right now. So let's test it out. Nice. Look at that, going in a straight path. Nice. Yeah, so RC Dave completely fixed my my Charger here. And I'm driving with one hand here, so it's kind of interesting. Whoops. Alright, so General Lee is repaired. That's good news. So I do have a short story video coming out. Well, it's not coming out anytime soon, but it's going to be my next project. And I've got a pretty fun story for it, and it's going to involve an emphasis on Sheriff Roscoe. So I can't wait to show that video out. I just got to film it first and get all my parts together.